I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix VW Jetta door lock easy guide. Begin by unlocking the door and removing the interior trim gently, then disconnect the battery to avoid short circuits. Inspect the actuator, linkage, and wiring for obvious wear or damage, and test the motor with a 12V supply if available. Replace faulty components or reattach linkages, and reassemble the panel after confirming smooth operation and proper alignment. Begin by lowering the window slightly for better access and to avoid snags when removing the panel. Remove screws near the door handle, armrest, and lower edge, then use a trim tool to pop the clips free while pulling evenly. Disconnect electrical connectors and set the panel aside on a soft surface. Inspect the inner door shell for rust or broken tabs and clean away debris before proceeding to the actuator area for repairs. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing car tips and tricks. On another note, I enjoy quiet breaks with the new Kindle Paperwhite, which is great for reading while waiting for parts or service. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals that might help you save time or money. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the panel removed, locate the actuator and check all connections and linkages for proper seating. Apply 12V directly to the actuator briefly to see if the motor responds, and if it does not move, plan a replacement. If the motor works but movement is restricted, free any jammed linkages and lubricate pivots with a light grease. Reassemble the door and test the lock repeatedly to confirm consistent operation and eliminate intermittent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.